Hey guys, all right, so I bought another unit. It's a 5x10. I paid $380 for this unit. It's actually got 2 doors. Let me see if I can't flip the camera around. All right, I'm gonna stop it and flip the camera so you can see. Okay, here it is. So we got a little Chief smoker. I can sell for $40 depending on the, if it works, whatever, but okay. Toolbox, tools, seat, and I really needed this shelf, so this thing looked really heavy duty, so I'm really excited. Some more tools, but this is why we spent the money to get this. And I walked in here and look at this. They hot glued it. So I don't even know what this thing is. I'm just, oh my gosh. So, yay. So, anyways, all right. Well, we'll look through here and see. Oh, look at that. Business cards. The square. What's this thing? Oh, probably business cards. All right, well, sorry. Oh, goodness. Promotion. Northwest Washer Store. I don't know. That kind of sucks. I'm really bummed because that was going to pay for the unit. But, all right. And then we got, ooh, look at it. Jeep manual. That'll probably sell. And this probably would, yeah. Oh, there is a couple pieces of Legos in there. All right, what else do we got? Oh, look at some more Legos. That's awesome. Okay, let's see what else. This is, I don't know, probably cheap set. Bunch of stuff in here. Let's see what's in here. That looks temperature control. I don't know. All right, let's see. Master grip tools. Ow, that was pokey. Jeez, there's like all these little blades. Huh, that's interesting. I need to get my gloves on. Oh, I love these things, they're so cute. Okay, well, let's see. Let's check out this toolbox. Oh, is there anything over here? All right. Tools. Ooh, there's some jewelry in here. A mirror. Oh, I think that's probably got his name, but look at this. What's this, guys? That's cool. All right, and some more jewelry. I'll have to look at that closely to see if it's real gold. That'd be cool. Okay, I don't know. Those look like cards. Okay, let's see what's in this one. Huh. Oh, nothing in there. Nothing in there. All right. Yippee. All right, let's see what's in here. It won't take long to go through this. All right. Backpack. That's, jeez. Big mask. Looks like maybe a backpack, maybe. Some more bags. Okay. Oh man, I think I might actually lost money this time. This is not good. I wish that was a real Snap-on. Oh well. Yeah, I mean, might be able to get maybe $200 for it at least. So we'll see. All right, what's in here? Oh, that's cool. And then a bunch of toys. more boxes. Oh, sorry. Let me just scooch these out of there. Okay. Probably more kid stuff. All right, what is this? Oh, label maker. iPhone. Sounds like something's in there. Come on. It's not in there. All right. I'm gonna be careful because I didn't. Oh, hey, here's another one. Oh. It feels heavy, but. No. Oh, hey, headphones. That's $20 right there. I'll sell those things. Oh, God, it went out. Oh, it's not in there. That would have made all my money back. These were in there. Alright, CDs. What's this cable thing? Oops. Better turn the light on. Oh, I can't hear it. Brand new cable. Alright. Let's just grab this box real quick. And then, if it's not in here, whoa. Efficiency got me. Okay. It says, ooh, games. Oh my gosh, cross fingers, cross fingers. Oh, board games. Oh. Okay. Jenga, Candyland, comic books. What's this one? Interesting. Kid stuff. That's it. Not worth much. Whoa, my little light went out. All right, I'm gonna go turn the light on. All right, we'll see what's on the shelf. Whatever this is, it's maybe brand new. I don't know. Or no, that's separate. I don't know. Hose and a thing. Okay. Ryobi. It's a drill set thing. Nice. Alright. These are outdoor toys or something. Yeah. Some knee pads for kiddos. And that's probably pictures. Okay, nothing fun, special in there. Plastic garbage. What is this? Water putty? Is that what's really in there? I can't open it. Huh. Well, if there's something else besides that in there, I will video it. All right, clothes. Some paint. Feels heavy. Stain. Oh, look at these cute little lights. Not bad. Let's see, back here, oh, we also got that fun seat. We've got a shop light. Feels like it's in there. A little kid's guitar. Bucket. It's probably paint. All right, and then let's just see what's in this box. Oh, it's heavy. Never mind. What's in here? Okay, here we go. I'm guessing it's T-Lo. Okay. All right. Stop it for a second. Okay. I had to open that. It was really difficult for me. But some of the stuff's in there. All Trade. It's the brand. Okay. Oh, there's this thing too. Whoops. If I can get it. Okay. All right. Some screws. Oh, Oh, hey. We might be in luck, guys. We might be in luck. Snap on. Woo! Okay. You ready? Let's see what's in here. Oh. I don't know. That looks like in pretty rough shape. I'll have to look that up. But hey, at least we got a snap-on thing. That makes me a little happier. That was crazy. Oh, here's the battery, luckily for it. Or the charger. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get this stuff down and then I'll video. Okay, got the stuff down. So there was a tent. And this, let's see here. It's like maybe a fishing thing. Yeah. Let's see. I don't want to. This little knife. Fishing tackle. What's this? Oh. Bunch of fishing stuff. I don't want to dig my hands in there with no gloves, but you guys get the idea. It's fishing stuff. Okay. Basketball. Oh, look at that. Nintendo DS. What's not in there? Alright, let's see if there's anything put on the bottom here. I don't see anything. Nothing. Oh, boy. I've gotten so many cords. It's just ridiculous at my house. Okay, and then in here, let's see what we got. Okay. I wonder if he was some type of a contractor or something. I don't know. Drop forger. Oh, rocks. Oh, another one of these. These are cheap. Unless this is a snap-on. Alright, plumbing stuff, hardware. Okay. Let's see. Oops, sorry. Alright, nothing fancy. Okay, well, that was it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm pretty bummed about this. I'm just, what's this thing, though? Oh, hold on. I see something. Is it, oh, it's magnet. It's U.S. General. I don't know. Okay, well, that's that.